Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS4 cannot find the application error. Method 1. Clear cache your PS4. You need turn off PS4, just press and hold PS button on your controller, then select power, then select turn off PS4. After the PS4 has completely turned off, unplug the power cable from the power source and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, external drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Press PS button on your controller to turn it on. After that, if the error, cannot find the application, still appears, then move on the next methods. Method 2. Disconnect the external drive from the console. If you are using an external drive while installing the application, then this is a signal that the store is trying to install it to the external drive because it sees it exists. Just disconnect the external drive from the console, which will force it to install on internal hard drive. Then you can reconnect the external drive once installation is complete. Method 3. Stay up to date. Make sure that you have the latest version of PS4 system software. The updates always offer bug fixes and system performance optimizations. So, just ensure that the latest version is installed on your console. Finally, if the problem persists, please check the health of the hard drive. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.